what do I do to get rid of bad breath, and how often do I need to have a dental cleaning done?
Well, bad breath usually comes down to bacteria, and that usually comes down to obviously having poor oral hygiene. So then you would obviously come to see the hygienist, and we will show you how you can best clean your teeth, brushing and flossing or using interdental brushes in the correct way. Sometimes it's also good if you try to clean your tongue with a tongue scraper or something that suits you better, which we can check when you come in to see us. And it's important that you do your cleanings at least twice a year, especially when you have braces. Maybe you need to do it more often, like every 3 months or every 6 weeks. Or
would it help mouthwash help?
I mean, it's good if the mouthwash has fluoride, because your teeth does need fluoride, but it's not going to be the main thing. The main thing is that you brush in the correct way, which the hygienist or the dentist will show you, and that you floss every day or clean with an interdental brush in between your teeth every single day. And when you have braces, that's even more important, and you need to brush longer than you normally would, and you need to use interdental brushes under your wires every single day as well.